How to fix Roblox card not redeeming. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate how to resolve issues with redeeming Roblox gift cards. If you're facing difficulties with redeeming a Roblox gift card, there could be various reasons behind it. I'll guide you through the correct process of redeeming a gift card. To begin, visit roblox.com on your computer's web browser and make sure that you're logged into your specific account where you wish to redeem the gift card. Once signed in, click on the Roblox icon and choose Redeem Roblox Codes from the drop-down menu. Here, you can enter the gift card code and redeem your Robux. If you encounter errors, double-check the code for accuracy, and if the issue persists, you can explore more advanced solutions by accessing the Help section. Click on Help at the bottom of the screen or through the Settings icon, then select Contact Us and fill out the support form with your username, email address, and a description of the issue. Under the gift card category, select Gift Card Redeem and provide details about the card's origin. Reach out to the Roblox customer support for the further assistance. I hope this information helps you resolve any issues with redeeming Roblox gift cards. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.